Hey there friends, it's Jenna Urban from The Urban Life. Tonight we are grilling out. We're gonna be doing dairy-free and egg-free burgers. Got my rosé, aka summer water. It is such a gorgeous night out tonight. We could not resist doing some barbecue, so I'm super excited to share this super quick and easy recipe for burgers. It's very similar to my popular dairy-free and egg-free meatball recipe, which you can find on theurbanlife.com. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, check me out on Instagram, and let's get going. So in my mixing bowl, I have 2 pounds of ground beef. And for my seasonings, I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, brown sugar, and some herbs. Feel free to use whatever blend you like. I also have some finely diced onion. I'm just gonna combine both in here. And we're gonna add Worcestershire sauce. And we're gonna do some sriracha because we like spice a little bit. But if y'all don't want to do sriracha, just feel free to leave it out. And so basically we're just gonna go in here with our hands, but you don't wanna overwork it too much, especially because we aren't using any dairy or egg for binder. So I find the little diced onions really just help the texture here. So we're just going to kind of knead this all together, get everything incorporated. And then we're gonna use this little smasher thing here to form the patties. Once all of your meat is put together and well combined and seasoned, separate it into 4 equal pieces. You can see my 4 pieces here. I have the 1, and I'm just gonna separate it into 2 equal pieces here, and then put it in my hamburger press. And then we have this that you press down lightly and it forms them into hamburgers. Zach is so kindly firing up the barbecue, and here are our patties. Tell me what you just said.
I don't love the press. My hands are much better. These are kind of hockey puckish.
Well, yeah, but I think they look good and juicy.
I do.
Okay, let's eat.